This is Bluetooth speaker we have made. This is portable and has USB port for recharging. It can be connected to mobile and laptops through Bluetooth. So let's see how to make this speaker. We used 4 ohm 3 watt speakers. PAM 8403 amplifier module. The output of each channel is 3 watt. It can be powered from 2.8 volt to 5 volt. Bluetooth stereo audio receiver. Lithium ion battery. Charging module. Switch. And boost converter. Boost converter is optional since we can power amplifier module from 2.8 volt to 5 volt. I have made this box from foam board. It has spaces for all the components. Then I made these two brackets for speakers. Then solder wires to speakers. I soldered yellow wire for positive and black wire for negative. Then attach speaker to the brackets. Then fix speakers to the box we have made previously. After that, solder the components. Before soldering, check the circuit diagram. You can download circuit diagram from link given in description below. I have connected lithium ion battery along with charging module. Then connect boost converter and set the voltage to 5 volt. Boost converter is optional. If you don't use boost converter, then you can connect amplifier module direct to charging module output. I have soldered two wires to charging module to connect USB socket externally. You can use same USB port which is in the module. I will be connecting this USB socket externally. Then solder the switch. And also connect USB socket. Once everything is done, close the box. And here our speaker is ready. If you have any doubts, feel free to ask questions.